Well, the brutal rape of a 5-year-old girl in the national capital has once again reignited the debate on the death penalty. Is it the only way to tackle these barbaric crimes? An angry BJP is categorically demanding death penalty for rapists, and other leaders across the political spectrum are also demanding tougher laws. But an unperturbed Congress still seems to think the solution lies in the existing anti-rape law.
Her story shamed the capital and shook the conscience of an entire nation. But even as India seethes with anger, the politics over the brutal rape of a 5-year-old has already begun.
जहाँ 16/12 की घटना के बाद हमने सोचा था कि शायद दिल्ली अब सुरक्षित होगी, लेकिन 5 साल की बच्ची के साथ हुए बलात्कार ने वो खोल के रख दी। तो कल सोनिया जी का बयान आया, अब बातों की जरूरत नहीं, कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए।
But instead of acting, those who wield the power to create change seem to believe the answer lies in the new anti-rape law.
Unfortunately, some political parties are politicizing this dastardly act. You must compliment the Government of India also for the quick response to the recommendations of the Justice Verma Committee. The act has been passed, it has become a law now.
But political parties clearly not impressed, demanding nothing short of capital punishment for the perpetrators.
मेरे ख्याल में अब नया कानून बनाने की जरूरत है। कोर्ट कचहरी के बजाय ऐसा व्यक्ति यदि वाकई चिन्हित हो जाए कि इसी व्यक्ति ने ऐसा घिनौना कार्य किया है, तो तुरंत उसको किसी चौराहे में ले जाकर के टांग देना चाहिए।
And threatening to rake up the issue as Parliament resumes today.
This is a very, very serious matter, and we'll consider, we'll discuss this issue. First of all, you have to generate that fear in law, and only then respect for law comes.
There were similar protests and a call for action by our political class in the aftermath of the Nirbhaya incident. But 4 months later, clearly nothing seems to have changed. Bureau Report, Times Now.